Hey guys, it's Ginger. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a package here from Vettsy. They saw my video on the pudding gels and wanted to send me some more of their stuff and check it out. So let's open this package and see what they sent. I'm very excited. So we got a really cute little package here. Ooh. I love the pink bubble wrap. It's so cute. All right, so we've got us a little gel brush. Very, very nice. And some stickers. So we've got some like guide stickers to do like Frenches. Ooh, that's a cool shape. Look at this one. That's really neat. That would be fun. Ooh, and some Christmas stickers. Yay! Christmas is coming before we know it, guys. Get ready. Okay, and it looks like we have, liner gels. I'm so excited to play with these. So there's 12 different colors in this little box here. We'll get that open. And then we have, this one looks like it's broken. That's okay. This is their prismatic collection. Oops. Okay, yep, the box is a little broken, but it's a cool looking box. Look at that. Ooh, okay, what does this say? Fun and colorful. So I'm just gonna dump these off of this box here and get that out of the way and see what we have. So we have also 12. It says 9+3 gel polish gift set. So I don't know what the 9+3 is, so let's find out. Okay, so it looks like we have a base gel. These are very reflective, so let me see if I can angle this a little differently. Base gel, and then all different colors here. Oh, look at that, a matte top coat. Okay, that's probably the +3. I bet there's another top coat in here. Yep, okay. And then a top coat. So we've got top coat, base coat, and a matte top coat, so that's the 3, and then probably 9 colors, right? So we've got Carnival Party. Oh, that's the name of the collection, Carnival Party. Okay, and then they've all got numbers on the tops and the bottom. Well, so this says number 02, but on the bottom it says 004. So we'll just pay attention to the tops for now. So let's get all of these out and opened. And let's take a look at what we got and maybe do some fun nail art. What do you say? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. Okay, so we'll look at the liner gels here in just a moment. And I'm going to open up these colors here and see what they're like. They look really neat on the lid, the little swatches. I'm thinking, since it says it's a prismatic collection, they're gonna be like really some kind of sparkly. So we're gonna need this little guy. So let's get that out as well. Okay, so should we do these in order? Let me get them in number order and we'll do them that way. Okay, now I got them in number order. Number 1. So we've got a nice little seal on them, which I always appreciate. Oh my goodness. All right, let me turn my flash on and get my camera lower. Get all the things situated here. Ooh, that's so pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is like a coppery, oh my goodness. Pretty, pretty. Okay, let me grab a paper towel. I don't want to make a mess. I'm so excited. These are going to be gorgeous. Oh, okay, there we go. A little bit hard to get that seal off, but sealed very nicely. Holy smokes, can you see the gorgeousness that is this little pot of gel? Woo-hoo-hoo. So pretty. Wow. Oh, I cannot wait to play with these. Okay, so I'm going to open all of these and I'll just fast forward through it for you guys and you can see all the colors and then we'll start playing with them. Okay, so I got them all open. They're stunning. Holy smokes, I cannot wait to play with these. Made a bit of a mess. Some of them were a little difficult to open. Most of them opened really easily, but I had a couple that were very stubborn. Some of these look very like a leaf gel, like, you know, the Beamy leaf gels, which I don't have any of those, but they, from what I've seen, they look like them a lot. So got some swatch sticks here, and I'm gonna swatch a couple of these because I'm really curious to see how they apply. But they're stunning. I don't even know where to start. I know I want to play with this one. Look at how pretty these are. I'm just going to open them all up because, oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. Okay, so like this one reminds me like of a leaf gel. These ones, not so much. You know, these are a finer, just like a metallic. But like this one, oh my goodness. What is this, number 4? Ooh, that is pretty. And we got, this one also reminds me of the leaf gels. This one was really hard to open. And this one is like kind of the same color as 3. This is 6, but this one is more of a like a chunky leaf gel, and this one is like the finer sparkle. And then we've got another like almost pinkish color. This one's a little darker here, but kind of the same formula. And this one, oh my gosh, stunning gold. Christmas, anyone? Coming up. And then this one is so pretty. It's kind of like a gunmetal color and also looks like that leaf gel consistency. So, ooh, which one to dig into first? Let's do one of these first, the finer looking ones, and see what we think. Ooh, the consistency on this is really, really nice. I like this little brush. It's nice and small. It'd be easy to get to that cuticle area. Ooh, so nice. Oh my gosh. This is a very pretty color and such a nice gel. So these are like a little bit stickier than like a gel polish. Potted gels are a good bit different than a gel polish in a bottle. I prefer working with gel polishes in a bottle versus like potted gels, but some people would rather have potted gels, and I guess that is just personal preference. So look at how beautiful that is. I think 2 thin coats of this and it'll be absolutely perfect. So I'm gonna pop that in the light and cure it. Okay, and there is instructions on the back. It's a little hard to read because it's a really cool holographic packaging, but they cure for, it looks like 30 seconds in an LED. So yeah, UV lamp for 60 seconds, LED for 30 seconds. And these, you do need to use a base coat, and they do provide the base coat in the package. So it's best to stick with like the brand. So if you were using like Madam Glam, you want to use Madam Glam's base coat. If you're using Vettsy, you want to use Vetsy's base coat. So let's do a second coat of this. And I think I touched that when I went into the light, so I got a little dented spot, but that's okay. You definitely want to do these nice and thin. And like I said, if you're putting this on your natural nail, you need a base coat. And if you're doing this over an enhancement, you don't have to use a base coat. If you're putting it over acrylic or like a gel overlay like luminary or something, you do not need to use a base coat before you go in with your color. But for natural nails, you absolutely do have to have a base coat. So that is stunning. And what's really cool about these gels, and I've seen, I think maybe like Talia do, because they're metallic-y, you want to try, you know, to get your brush strokes nice and straight to have a nice smooth finish. Or you can take like a dotting tool. Let me grab one real quick. Okay, you could take like a dotting tool and like make like a swirly pattern in it and just, you know, kind of have fun with it. And it gives it like a look of texture without actually having texture on your nails, which I think is really cool. So that's fun. I like these kind of metallic polishes. And I just want to mention, I just noticed that the brush handle is like got little flat edges, which I love because I just set it down on my table and I was expecting it to roll away and it didn't move because it's got that flat edge. So bonus. So I'm just gonna smooth this back out and then I'm gonna pop that into the light to cure, and we'll look at another color. So I'm just using a dry paper towel to wipe my brush off. You don't want to use acetone or alcohol. It'll dry out your bristles. And it's best to have a couple extra brushes if you're trying to switch from colors quickly, but you just need to take a little bit of clear gel and run that through your brush and that'll clean out the color. Let's do now one of these chunkier ones. I think I want to use this one. It's kind of calling my name. This is number 4. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So yeah, this really reminds me of like those leaf gels. Ooh, it's so pretty. Ooh, yes. That is stunning. I'm going to have to get these all swatched for my clients. They're going to love these. I'm thinking New Year's nails, party nails, even Christmas nails. These are going to be so popular. It's taken me a minute to get used to the formula and using it like this because, like I said, I'm used to gel polishes in a bottle, but it just takes a little bit to get used to. Oh my gosh, the sparkle on that. Oh, it's stunning. So this would be really cool because it is a bit see-through and it would actually look really pretty on this color right here. You can use this as a topper, just like one thin coat, and let your color pop through underneath, or you can do a couple coats to build it up. I'm sure you would be able to get it fully opaque, and you want to kind of like move it around a little bit in the light, make sure you got everything covered because it can be a little deceiving. It'll look like it's fully covered when it's not, and Jen taught me that with these kind of gels. So you got to be careful with that. You have a little bald patch. Okay, which one should we do next? I kind of really want to do this one right here. Kind of a gunmetal, silvery. Ooh, that's pretty. So let us take a look at this one. Ooh, pretty. This one's a little bit like the first one and the second one together. So it's got more of this like fine metallicness to it, but it also has that leafy stuff in it as well. This one is really, really pretty. Ooh, I like this a lot. Oh, a lot. Okay, that is absolutely stunning. And this one is a little bit more opaque because it's got that finer metallic base to it, but it also has those chunks in it. Oh yes, we love the chunks. So yeah, just giving that a second to like self-level so there's nothing really sticking up too much. I'm sure the top coat will take care of that. But that is absolutely stunning. Again, I think 2 coats of this and it'd be absolutely perfect. Not too see-through. I like this one a lot. So let's cure that. And let's do one more. Which one? I think I'm gonna dip into this pink one right here in the middle. It's calling my name. Ooh, wow, that is so pretty. I'm so excited for these. These are really, really nice. Look at how pretty. Again, it's a little bit sheer, but I'm sure would build up just fine with 2 coats, or you can put it over top of another color and just do one thin coat. It would also work. It's got like a kind of a jelly base to it, and then it's got all that pink sparkle. Ooh, it's so good. And like silver sparkle as well. These are stunning. I am very excited to play with these more. Okay, so I just opened up the top coat, the matte top coat, and the base coat, and I just want to check those out. I'm going to check out the base coat. I just want to see the consistency on it It's very, very runny for the base coat, which is normal for a base coat. So you do want to be really careful when you put this on. You're putting on a very thin layer and you're not flooding your cuticles with it, but that goes on really well. Like a dream. And then the top coat, let's grab that. Make sure I got my lid back on. Don't want to spill it. The top coat, yep, is a little bit thicker than the base coat. So let's go ahead and put top coat on this shiny gorgeousness right here. And we'll do the matte top coat, I think, on the copper colored one. So this doesn't run too much. It's definitely thicker than the base coat. I don't know if it's a no wipe top coat or not, but we're going to find out. I'm gonna say it's probably not. You're probably gonna have to wipe off a sticky layer with it, but looks really good so far. All right, I'm gonna pop that in the light. Get that going, and we will check out the matte top coat. Okay, so the matte top coat has pretty much the same consistency as the shiny top coat. You want to be careful, you know, not to flood the cuticles, not get too much on your little brush, but it applies really nice. Self levels really nice as well. Don't mind the little bumpies that I have in the nail there. That's just where I was swirling around and didn't get it completely smooth. So we're gonna pop that in the light, and it cures tack free. It comes out already matte, ready to go. You don't have to wipe it off, and it feels so good. I love the way this matte top coat feels. It reminds me a lot of the Ugly Duckling, which I love. The shiny top coat actually cures tack free as well. So no need to wipe it. You are ready to go right out of the light. They're so pretty. I love the matte, I love the shiny, and I love these colors. They turned out so nice. So join me tomorrow, guys. I'm going to do a second part to this video, so it's not too long. And we're going to play with these Vettsy art gel liners. These are going to be a lot of fun to play with. So join me tomorrow and we will check these out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.